Welcome to the MLA Works Cited Page workshop. This workshop is divided into 6 sections and has 6 quizzes. The first 5 sections can be attempted twice, and you must pass with a score of 80% or higher to move forward. When you score 80% or higher, the next section will open. Sections will not open until you have a score of 80% or higher. The final section is a knowledge check and can only be attempted once. And now to MLA. We've all been there. You get a research essay assignment and see that you're going to have to use MLA citation format. Oh no, the horror! Why must I use this tortuous format? There are reasons, I promise you. This workshop will give you an introduction to the basics of MLA Works Cited Page format and provide you with a better understanding of the whys behind MLA to guarantee your success. The learning objectives are to understand why MLA is used, learn basic MLA Works Cited Page formatting, learn the basics of book citation on the Works Cited page, learn the basics of article citation on the Works Cited page, and learn the basics of website citation on the Works Cited page. Now you know how the workshop is structured. Let's jump into the big question. What is MLA format? You're probably used to hearing the term MLA, so let's start there. MLA stands for the Modern Language Association. The format was created and is curated in order to provide a consistent and uniform method to make the writing and reading of papers easier, not to torture students. Remember, as sources evolve, so does MLA. It is currently in its 9th edition, so that is quite a few changes over the years. It's also why it's a good idea to keep up on the changes. MLA is used in the humanities such as English language and literature, comparative literature, cultural studies, and foreign languages, to name a few. And now for the why of MLA format. Let's look at 4 reasons for using it. First, using it helps prevent plagiarism. Being conscious of your sources as you integrate them into your writing and cite them on the Works Cited page can help you to reduce the possibility of not crediting your sources, and MLA provides a uniform means for this. Next, following MLA format lends authority to your writing. Using it shows that you know and understand the conventions of academic writing in a given discipline, just like experts in the field. Another reason to use MLA is using it helps your reader understand your writing. MLA format creates a consistent framework that lets your writing shine. Readers won't need to wonder about your sources or what is your original thought versus what is cited material. Finally, MLA makes it easier for readers to find your sources. When you follow a standard format, readers can easily follow the breadcrumbs back to your sources. Since you're presenting great arguments in your essays, readers will want to explore the topic further, and that uniform Works Cited page makes it a snap. Now that you have an idea of how the workshop is organized and learned a bit about MLA's background, let's answer some questions to check your knowledge. To answer the first question, select Next.